How to download and install JustMarkets trading application on your iPhone. Welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. If you're looking for an easy way to start trading on your iPhone, and if you're new to online trading and want to access your JustMarkets account on the go, here's how you can get the app. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch Open App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in JustMarkets and look for this application from JM Technologies Limited. Now, tap on the Get or the Cloud icon to start downloading the app. If you are downloading the app for the first time on your iOS, you'll need to authenticate the download. Go ahead and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Now the application will start downloading. This will usually take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the application installs, tap on Open to launch the app open on your iOS. Now you'll be able to see several different options. You'll need to go ahead and allow access such as notifications if you want it. And then from the welcome screen, go ahead and sign in or create a new account. So right there you have successfully downloaded the JustMarkets trading app on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.